Hey, what's up, guys? This is Gabson with another video about cryptocurrencies. Alright, so I just wanted to let you know that whatever I'm going to tell you right now, you shouldn't take it for granted. I'm just giving my personal opinion about this. I'm not a professional advisor or anything, so you should invest at your own risk, do your own research, look it up, find out what's best for you and what works for you. Alright, so my video today is that you should not buy a Bitcoin, but I'll tell you why. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is around 15,000 right now. Um, it's actually down because it went to an all-time high about $20,000. That was about 2 weeks ago, and right now it came back down to 15,000. So let's look at it this way. If you want to make money out of Bitcoin, let's be real. You should invest around $500,000 or $1 million if you want to make a lot of money out of this, because it's 15,000 a coin. So the smartest thing to do, I would say, is to invest into other cryptocurrencies. There's a lot of cryptocurrencies out there. There's cryptocurrencies that are under $1. That's where I think you should invest your money. If you're not a millionaire and you're trying to become one like me, then you should not buy a Bitcoin, because you're not really gonna make a lot out of Bitcoin right now. So let's take a look at other altcoins like Ripple, Cardano, Stellar. There's IOTA. Anything that's cheap right now is good, because when you buy something when it's cheap, it has the potential to grow. Like you can believe in it that in a year or two it's gonna go up, and that's most likely going to happen. Let's take a look at Cardano, for example. It's been going up crazy lately. I can't believe it's 85 cents already. It was about 75 cents when I checked like 30 minutes ago. So let's look at the chart for Cardano in about a month. Let's say December 10th, it was around 10 cents. And look at it right now. This is less than a month. It went from 10 cents to 85 cents, right? Let's find the percentage growth from 10 cents to 85 cents. That's in less than a month, right? That's around 750% growth right there. So imagine you put your money, imagine you put $1,000 into this. You're gonna get around you're gonna get around 7,500 out of this, because it went up by 750%. So I think Bitcoin isn't the way to go right now. If you were into cryptocurrencies while Bitcoin was still down, then yeah. But right now, Bitcoin is just not the way to go. If you're trying to make money out of cryptocurrencies, I think you should not buy Bitcoin. You should buy altcoins like Ripple. It's at $2 right now. I would actually recommend to buy anything less than $1, anything less than 10 cents, because those coins, but you got to make sure to be smart. You just don't go around and look for coins that are like that are cheap, because you have to take in consideration other stuff like the market cap, the circulating supply, the change, and other stuff like that. Got to make your own research. I'll actually make another video about my top 5 currencies for 2018, the ones that I think are gonna grow a lot in 2018. I'll make another video, so you can go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And let's get back to it. So yeah, um don't just go around and buy any coin. You gotta do your research and find out about the ones that can grow. Let's take a look at Stellar, for example. It's 64 cents right now. I remember I bought Stellar when it was around 15 cents, and that was about 2 weeks ago. Was it 20 cents? I think I remember about Stellar was really cheap. It was at 20 cents. Yeah, 17 cents, 16 cents. Wait, is this July? Oh, that's July. My bad. About a month ago. Yeah, it was around 18 cents still. December 18th, it was around 23 cents. It was around 19 cents on December 16th. I remember, I think I bought it around there. And look at it right now, 64 cents. From 19 cents to 64 cents. How many percent is that? 64 cents. That's 236%. See, that's a lot. In 2 weeks, that's actually in 2 weeks only. So imagine this. Imagine if you're holding this for about a year or two. You're gonna make a lot of money out of these rather than buying a Bitcoin, which is already at 15,000. Unless you're investing a million, as I told you before. If you put a lot of money into Bitcoin, then yeah, maybe if it goes up double or something, then you'll make a lot of money. But chances are, if you're watching this video, you're not a millionaire, right? You're trying to become one. Okay. So if that's the case, I suggest you take a look at CoinMarketCap, do your research, and invest right now. When the prices are still down, invest into currencies you think are gonna grow a lot in the coming years. So yeah, that's why I think you should not buy a Bitcoin. And thanks for watching this video. You can also leave your own opinion in the comments. If you think I'm wrong or something, you can just leave your comments on there and we can talk about it more. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.